Welcome to the video of software process models. First, what is meant by software process? Building a software product is known as software product process. The following are activities inside the software process. First one, software specification, then development, validation, and last one, evaluation. Specification means gathering the requirements from the customers and scrutinizing the specification. Development means the actual implementation of the product. Then validation, it includes testing, various types of testings. Then last one, evaluation, it includes the phases like deployment and maintenance. Then software process characteristics. The following are some desirable qualities of software process. First one, understandability. It is about how easy to understand the process is. Then visibility, it is about process performed properly or not and progress visible or not. Then supportability, it is about process supports case or not. Here case represents computer aided software engineering. These are the set of tools for supporting software process. Then acceptability, it is about process is acceptable by users and other stakeholders. Then reliability, it ensures the developed model is free of errors. Then robustness, this is about the performance of the product in worst or error condition. Then rapidity, it ensures the speed of process is according to the specification. Then software process models, these are the some types of software process models: linear sequential model, spiral model, RAD model, then prototyping model. RAD stands for Rapid Application Development. This video focuses on the first model, linear sequential model or waterfall model. Linear sequential model is the another name for waterfall model. It is like flow of water. There are 6 stages in waterfall model. One stage output becomes the input of next stage. It follows one stage at a time fashion. We cannot concurrently working in all the 6 stages. Move to next stage is only after completing the current stage. We cannot go to the next stage before completing the current stage. Stages in waterfall model: requirement analysis, system design, implementation, testing, deployment and maintenance. First one, requirement analysis. We know the term requirement. The requirement is gathered from the customers or the client and it is documented for further reference. In the requirement analysis space, the gathered and documented requirement is analyzed, refined and scrutinized to make unambiguous, consistent requirements. Then the second space is system design. It specifies hardware and software requirements. Also, it specifies the overall system architecture. Whatever needed to development is stated here. The third step is implementation. The implementation phase takes its input from the previous phase, system design. The large software is split into smaller units called units and they are assigned to various programmers. We know a program is a combination of multiple lines or multiple modules. Then the software is a combination of multiple programs. Then fourth phase is testing. Here various testings are conducted on product, unit testing and integration testing. The individual smallest programs are called units. The unit testing is conducted on smaller programs. After that, the smaller programs are integrated together to make a software and after integration testing is done on this. Then fifth stage is deployment. Once testing is done, it will be delivered to the client or released in the market. It is called as deployment. Then last phase is maintenance. Works done after delivery such as fixing errors or enhancing program is called maintenance. The maintenance work is performed at a client side. Then pros and cons of waterfall model. First advantages: simple to understand and implement and manage. Requirements are well understood at initial phase because only after understanding the requirements we can move to the next stage. Then disadvantages: not every user can clearly state the requirements initially. Usually requirements are subject to change in nature. cannot accommodate changes at later stages, so it is not suitable for larger projects.